Hello, my name is Elias Karam and my partner is Arturo Casales. We did the presentation on determining effects of copper and vitamin E on weight gain with pigs. The objective of the experiment in which we conducted the statistical analysis on was to examine the effects of two treatments, vitamin E and copper supplements, on the weight gain of 72 pigs across 12 weeks. The experiment involved a sample of 72 pigs of the same breed and the same gender from 22 litters. The breed was Landrace and Yorkshire mix, and the gender was young female, also known as gilts. The two treatments of copper and vitamin E applied to the feed. The treatments have a factorial structure. Every treatment combination is realized at least once in our data. The weight of the pig and the cumulative feed eaten was recorded every week for the duration of 12 weeks. This implies repeated measures, and the measurements of feed and weight are likely not independent from week to week. Pigs were housed individually within one research facility as a control. Each pig was given as much food and water as it desired. Temperature and humidity were controlled at the research facility. Batches of foods were mixed and homogenized before any treatment was added. And at the end of the 12 weeks, the pigs were slaughtered and additional metrics were measured. These metrics were liver weight, liver oxidation, blood lipid levels, and which litter mates were slaughtered on the same day. The data that we used in our SAS program was weight in kilograms, feed and cumulative intake in kilograms, time in weeks, pig ID, vitamin E dose of 0, 100, 200 milligrams, copper dose of 0, 35, 175 milligrams. The data we used were weekly weight and feed intake before slaughter. There are 3 missing values at week 12, all corresponding to litter 9. No treatments or feed were given at week 1. Weight at week 1 can be thought of as the starting weight of the pig. This data allows, therefore, full factorial model that accounts for repeated measures on individual pigs. The response variable is week over week weight gained by the pigs. This is defined as the difference of the current week's pig weight from the previous week's pig weight. Thank you. The conclusions, just to recap from an excellent presentation by my partner on the covariance structure and the model, the final model, the working model, was the best variance structure we found through a few iterations was compound symmetry. We also found that the covariance and the correlation between weekly measurements between pigs were small. The covariance component for within pig repeated measures turned out to be not significant. Also, litter effect was not significant. Covariances and contributions to sums of squares within individual pigs likely much more important than covariance between pigs. Only the time effect turned out to be significant. which alone, uh, if I had to present it to my boss or my principal investigator, kind of seems obvious without a correction.